Lal muna. I think matamis to. Let's try. We're here. Wow. What's this? This I like this one. I don't know what kind of sweet are this. What's this? The one I eat in Maharajan? Same as that? Or the other one?
Hi, Kavya. You
What's
want to
that?
try?
What's
This
that?
is milk. You know, this is the sweet. Gulab
Yeah.
jamun.
Gulab jamun. And this? Gulab jamun and this?
This is, I think, with the carrot.
Carrots? No, I don't like it.
This is Rasgulla, Lal Mohan. Let's say.
Hmm. Okay, but so we're going to have our breakfast. We will sit here. Where? There. Okay. There is mirror. Oh, wait, I will go there. What's this?
This is Lal Mohan.
Lal muna. I think matamis to. Let's try. Lal
Lal
muna.
Mohan. Gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun. Gulab jamun, then yung gulab jamun. But I'll see. Let's see. Parang siyang ano, um, cinnamon, and I think the white one's milk.
Then ये तो गरम समोसा दिया था.
Ah, ayan eh.
You like it?
Marasa. It's good. Parang siyang gatas ba? Ito, milk siya ba? Milk. Parang nakakagat ako ng ano, buhangin. Samosa. How many minutes from here to the house?
Maybe 20 minutes.
Isang samosa kasi masarap siya. Yummy pala siya, maanghang and medyo matamis. Maanghang siya. Pero yung sweet, sobrang sarap niya. Ewan ko kung magkano. Siguro mura lang siya. Let's see you. So we're having our breakfast. Oh, be careful. Samosa. Samosa.
You want any?
What is inside? Tomato?
Huh?
Just bring for Lakshmi. Ah,
Potato, not tomato.
potato.
Potato masala, they grind. They mix it. Put
Yum.
masala there.
It's good. Yummy.
You like it? Before you said you don't like samosa.
Sometimes I don't like the taste, but here I like the taste.
You want to drink tea?
Ah.
Maybe when you will arrive home, Rim will come in the house.
As well, you can say, just bought the big the
Yeah, because we told her, she saw us, we go in the other school. तंदूर में चाय दिया था बना के क्या कौन आएगा नो टी मैंने तो गुलाब जामुन दे दिया सादा You can show all the system how they are keeping their food water. All the tables have the
So when you will go Maharajan tomorrow
We will see.
to register the land,
Yeah, either.
and you,
You,
and you,
I don't know. So guys,
and ito kasi masarap siya kaya I want more.
you can show, you can put your camera.
Here, yes, it's enough like this. Why it's like this?
Just like that.
Like cardamom?
No
Cardamom.
cardamom. There is a powder, lalmon powder.
Ah.
Maybe they are using that one.
Ayan, so ay ko nang ubusin. So, ano ko na sa...
This is called lalmohan.
What the name?
Lalmohan.
Lalmon. The circle, the brown circle, it's lalmon. It's so sweet. It's yummy. But
This
I
is
cannot...
cardamom flavor.
It's cardamom flavor, but I cannot finish because it's really sweet. You know. And yung madam ay uuwi na. Charot, madam. Daming utang. So we are going home. Ay, why you leave me here? We're going home. Thank you for the yummy food. Going to pay the food we eat. Hi, Pogi. Diyan sila niluluto yung mantika. Tingnan nyo naman. Daming mantika. And then pag kumain ka ng matamis, kasama na ang langaw dito. Kaya masanay ka na. So, ayan.